Every single person that found the strength to stop drinking alcohol was convinced at one point or another that they couldn't do it. Nobody chooses to become an alcoholic. Nobody chooses to lower their mental health. But if you knew how to control your thoughts and your feelings, you would be 100% in control of your actions. When I was at my worst, I was drinking over 30 shots a day as a high-functioning alcoholic. Alcohol became my medicine. In this sobriety masterclass, I'm gonna give you all of the strategies and the tactics that I developed after dying from cardiac arrest, surviving liver failure, and spending 18 months recovering from stage 4 cirrhosis. The truth? I'm gonna give you the absolute scientific solution to reach further into long-term sobriety so you forget you ever even had a problem. So many people think that sobriety guarantees happiness, when that's simply not the truth. But one thing I can tell you is happiness guarantees sobriety. And this is why I approach mental health and sobriety from this very simple neuroscience perspective of you get good at anything you practice. This masterclass is all of the facts that other programs will not teach you. I mean, after all, why would they want you to master your own mind? That means you won't be reliant on their program or their solutions anymore. And that's exactly what I intend to do here. I'm recognized around the world for this revolutionary digital sobriety program that you have access to right now as a modern voice to the mental health and sobriety industry on some of the most powerful social media platforms on the planet. These 6 areas are the core fundamental pillars of living a happy, healthy life. Every single day someone says to me, I can't do it, or I've tried everything and nothing works. And that's simply not the truth. Something doesn't have to be true for you to believe it. But why does any of this really matter? Well, coming from someone with my absolute unique experience, the longer it takes for you to start taking care of your mental and physical health, the worse it gets. I'm gonna teach you every single thing I know about health, happiness, and habits, tools, the resources, the coaches, the community, and the support to reach a place far beyond sobriety. My name is Kohdi, and this is my Sobriety Masterclass.